Hello, let us solve this Olympiad Mathematics together, which says solve for x sine pi over 12 into 1 minus x is greater than sine pi over 12 raised to the power of x. So now to solve this, since we know that this and this, they are the same, what is on the left hand side is the same what is on the right hand side. Definitely it is the power that are greater. So therefore 1 minus x is greater than x. So let us square this so that we can have a linear equation that we can deal with. That will now become root 1 minus x square is greater than x raised to the power of 2. So this square will cancel this root. Therefore 1 minus x is greater than x squared. And let us take this to this side. That is 1 minus x squared is greater than 0. Now to have a more positive coefficient for a quadratic equation, let us multiply this expression by minus. Therefore x squared plus x minus 1 is greater than 0. So we now have a quadratic equation that we can use quadratic formula to solve, which is x equals minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now from our quadratic equation, a equals 1, b equals 1, c equals minus 1. A is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant of the equation. Now let us substitute. X equals minus 1 plus or minus, this is b is 1 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 into 1 minus 1 all over 2 into 1. Therefore x equals minus 1 plus or minus 1 raised to the power 2 is 1 minus 4 multiplied by 1, that's minus 4, minus 4 multiplied by minus 1, that is plus 4 all over 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2. Therefore x equals minus 1 plus or minus root 5 all over 2. Therefore x equals minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, or minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. So this solves this expression. These are the values of x for which this expression is greater than this expression. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. So I see you next time. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, and thank you very much for watching. See you next time.